Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so now this is my last project in second semester. That is the second IT tutorial. So now I want to do a tutorial about the smart parking because I already finished the smart parking with Alif. So I now will give you the tutorial how to make the smart parking, the code, and how it works. Okay, so now let's go to the program. Okay, now you can go to the Google or your browser and then search teachable teachable machine teachable machine Lofi robot, and after that you can go to this website and then scroll down and then you can edit in here, press edit, and then after that you can make a new slide. So the first we go to logic and then press this. Okay, and after that we have to go to basic and then forever, and then we place the logic in here. Okay, so now we go to the advanced and go to pin, but before pin we must go to the logic again and then this. After that we can go to the pins. After that uh, drag this to the digital pin. Digital read pin equals 0. So digital read pin in here for the sensor, for the AR sensor that can detect an object. If there any object, the gate will open. So after this, we need uh, item that name is servo. Servo is like the gate. So if the sensor detect an object, the servo will the servo will open for the object. If the sensor not detect an object again, and then the servo will close again. So we go to pins again. So and this servo right pin first. Example, we the sensor goes to the P1, so you have to plug in the jumper to the P1 in the extension, and after that we can uh, type 90 for opening, and else if not detecting anymore you can duplicate and then try 0. Okay, and after that you can make again in here because there is two gate. The first is for in, for the cars going to the smart parking, and then the second is for the out, if the cars want to go out. So there is two options that you want. You can, the easiest one, you can duplicate it, or you can like make it again. So I'm gonna try make it again. But don't forget guys, the servo is we just try P2 to all wipe the servo, the first servo have to P2 or not like P3, P2 or P3 because if like this the servo will not working anymore. So like we go again, we build it again, and then now is digital with pin P3. Why have to P3 or other than P1? Because the P1 is already taken by the first sensor. So if you put that in P1, you can not anymore the sensor cannot detect just detect one or two. Okay, so we go again pins like always servo right pin, but now we P4, and then after this we have to search to the opposite of like this, so this 0 and 90, and after this just that's it, the code for the smart parking. And after that you can go to the teachable machine. You just search in here, and then you press this website, and after that you just press get started, and then you can go to the image project, standard image model, and then you can pick three class. The first class I just example, yeah. So the first is seven. It's mean no one parking in the smart parking. So you just photo the smart parking, but there's no cars. And then second is four. Four, it's mean the smart parking is full. The cars were parking all in the place. And the third, and so you can take a picture of the full smart parking with the cars. So and then the third class is zero. Zero, it means uh, just less cars that's gonna place to the smart parking, and then you can just take a picture again, and then you can go to the teachable machine again. In here you can go to here, open app, and after that you can put the link that you have make in the teachable machine, and then paste it, and then you can get the smart parking. But before that we go to here, and then you put the program to the microbit first, and then go to the extension. Okay, so now let's go to the example of the smart parking. Okay, so now we over here have the car, the smart parking, and then the top two. So in here we have four item, that is the air sensor, the servo, microbit, and extension. So extension you connecting from microbit to all part like servo and the air sensor, and the air sensor is for the sensor, and the servo is for the gate, and the microbit is for putting the program. Okay. So now in the start, you can press start and then go in here. Okay. Just copy and then go in here and then paste and then allow this time.
Here is my picture.
And after that you can connect the Bluetooth. So in here the microbit is now on. And now so in here you just put, and the code in here is 7 because the part place is empty. And if you put cars in here, it will turn to 4 because there is a car. And if you put all of them, it has to be 0 because the screen thing because the place is full. Wait. We just use the microbit to be like card. Okay, so it must be turned to 0. Right.